Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and me amigos.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back on a very cold / rainy day. My car is literally getting a free car wash. That's something my sister would say. This is a nightmare, but you know, what are you gonna do? I gotta get my brother's car in here. We're gonna be working on the headlight. The subscriber's coming over. It's snowing? Oh, what the heck? What is this? You guys see the ground? It's like ice. It better not damage my car. Heck no. Hell no. Look at this street. Oh, hell no. Let me show you guys the ice real quick. What is going on here? This normally never happens around here. But that looks pretty clean. I don't know if I will take a pic. I'm probably gonna take a picture of this, put it on Instagram. 1 second. Try to focus on the top of this video, guys. We're doing the headlight. We're doing the full condensation restore. We're pretty much getting out the headlight, and we're doing way more than just fixing condensation. I'm gonna start taking off the bumper. Let me go show you guys the parts that we got in for the headlight and what we're gonna do probably today. Alright, guys. So if you look here, I have pretty much the shell on the top, the shell on the back. Here's the actual headlight. At the bottom, you can see that the module, the ballast is gone, and the adaptive headlight module is gone. Here's the new glass for the headlight. And we have the adaptive module here. I got one from a junkyard for 50 bucks. And then I got the actual high and low beam module, the ballast right here. So this is all new parts. I have a link to all this down in the description if you guys need it. Yeah, no one on YouTube really shows how to actually fix condensation. So I'm gonna try to do my very best to show you guys step by step how to fix this, how to take apart the headlight, how to clean it all out. Pretty much restoring a headlight to its factory. You know, you can keep your lens. You can just skip the step we're doing if you just want to keep your lens. My lens is messed up, so we're replacing that. But we're going even further. We're showing you guys everything you can do. Replacing the modules. We'll show you guys you don't actually need to code the modules. And replacing bulbs, screwing everything. Just make sure everything aligns and works properly. And that's the goal of this video. What we're also going to do is probably take out this headlight right here. I don't know if any water has been building up in there. That's the new headlight. It does have a lot lower mileage on it, which means the seals are probably a whole lot better. So it is a different headlight from a different car. I doubt there'll be any condensation inside of it. This one seemed like it was condensating for a really long time from how much water is in there. But without further ado, I'm gonna start taking apart the bumper, take out the headlight. So when Leon gets here, he can tell us what's up. Alright guys, Leon came. I don't know why he parked way over there, but he's on his way. He had a reverse park next to me. Actually, it's so clean. Alright guys, we don't have one, we don't have two, we don't have three. Actually we have three. We have three N52 motors.
So close.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you kind of like, it's all good. Whatever. Yeah. If you want it, you can fix it if you want it, but, or...
I don't care.
Alright, then just, if you can get
my
out.
My car right now, it's so messy right now. I still haven't bought the bumper.
Yeah, what happened to the bumper, bro?
Oh, I'll tell you right now. Dude, your color looks so nice in person.
Yeah, I love this wrap, bro.
It looks so good.
Appreciate it.
So you ready to do this or what?
Yeah, I'm ready. So FYI, that thing was drenched in water, so I don't know if it even works.
Did you say it was crap?
No, but like if you look up top, isn't this like, I don't know what all this, is that how the water got in? Because I'm super confused on how the water got in.
Well, you saw a little bit of water.
Like, I only saw condensation.
But not like a lot?
That was really bad condensation. And then when my brother took it out, just water poured out of it. It was pretty bad.
Had no cap?
This one had no, none of them had caps. You had to buy caps for them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, now it has a cap though. But when we put both of them on at the same time, that one condensated. So, I don't know. I also forgot to include, guys, that you need this little sealant thingy, McBobber. This is the glue that goes around the headlight, so we're going to be using that to seal it. We're also going to be putting the headlight in the oven, apparently. That's what Leon says. I have no idea, but that's what we're going to do. He just literally ripping it apart. We're going to... So all he's done so far, guys, is pretty much heat it like he's doing right now, and then he's just using that flathead to tear it apart. And we're gonna get the whole new lens on there and everything, but I'm gonna try to clean it out as much as possible. Alright guys, so this is the old lens. He already took it off and everything. We just gotta take off all this extra plastic and stuff and the blinkers and all that stuff and put it on the other lens. Okay, so Leon is still working on the headlight. So you're taking off the glue, right?
Yeah.
They're just taking off all the glue to make sure it seals properly. And Muhammad over here is helping me out because I really hate taking off bumpers. He's gonna take off the bumper, you know, just so we can check the other headlight to make sure everything's good. Alright guys, bumper is off the car. I'm just moving this headlight right now, and he's over here putting the new adhesive. We're gonna put it into the oven, right?
Yeah.
At what temperature?
225.
225. How long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do with the new adhesive. I think we have enough adhesive for like more than one.
Yeah, you should have enough for 2 headlights.
Oh, so we'll have much. Because this thing was like 20 bucks, bro. What the hell? That was a lot of money. But yeah, we're gonna have some for the other headlight if we need to do it. I'm gonna take it out. I'm hoping we don't have any problems, but we might as well catch the problem early. So pretty much I'm just gonna be taking out the adaptive and the ballast. I just wanna make sure there's any water in this headlight. We already have it out, so just might as well check. Leon's almost done with the other headlight. So far, pretty productive. So we'll let you guys know once we put the headlight in the oven. Alright, so Leon's already putting the shell back on. That's the new shell. So obviously it's not gonna directly stick, but he's putting in the tabs, as you guys can see right there. And then we're gonna go put it in the oven.
Look at that.
Guys, look at the reveal. That looks beautiful as hell.
So nice.
Oh my lord, you can see the reflection. Well, this sounds pretty clean. I mean, I think, to be honest, I think they replaced this one. They didn't sand it. My brother's gonna have some good looking headlights. And then with white LEDs, so it's gonna be super nice.
This is a Chucky Beat production. Alright guys, headlights are in. We just tested them, worked great. So we're gonna go ahead and put the fender, the bumper, everything, reattach everything, and we'll show you guys the headlights and the adaptation, everything, once it's all assembled. Alright guys, my brother's starting up the car now. Go for it, yeah. Headlights illuminate. Look at that, all working, all working. That looks crisp. Oh yeah, it's the same color. Same color. Yeah, so everything looks good, guys. If you guys go ahead and turn the steering wheel. As you see the light moving on the wall, so everything works fine. I mean, it looks great. Alright guys, so I had a funny skit in this video, but unfortunately there was no audio. I don't know why. I literally half of the video had no audio, and you know, that really pissed me off, especially people, you guys who do YouTube understand how much of a pain it is if you have no audio, especially when you do a skit. So I'm really sorry for that, but the next video I will have a skit for you guys, so you know, I have to have some kind of skit for you guys. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and if you guys can get this video to, like, let's just say 100 likes, next video is a mod on my car. It's not my major mod, but it's a sick mod, so make sure you guys smash that like button, 100 likes, and I'll get that video out to you guys in 2 days. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and stay humble.
She got me saying, Yalla habibi, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, Yalla habibi, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. You know